This is a breathing meditation using this acupressure point, which is right in between your eyebrows. Feel it on yourself. You just touch it lightly. There's a little indentation there. It's an acupressure point that's good for opening up your glandular system, your endocrine glands, particularly your pituitary gland. Now, this can open up your ability to have more intuition in your life. Why? Because it's natural. When you touch here and you focus on it and you breathe into it, hey, can I take you on a journey? It'll only be like 2 minutes at the most. And if you do it with me, you'll get so much more out of it. Yeah, you can watch me do it, but as a spectator, you're just not going to get as much benefit. So here, bring the palms of your hands together like this. And now just lightly touch this point, just where the bridge of your nose meets your forehead. Inhale as you tilt your head upward. And exhale as you come down. If you've come late, what we're doing is a breathing meditation. Inhale and come up. Your eyes are closed. Inhale and come up. It's a deep breath through your nose if possible. You hold the breath for just a couple seconds to assimilate the oxygen. And exhale and let your head slowly come downward. Now actually put your attention on where you're touching, right here. And inhale and come up. Hold the breath for a couple of seconds. And exhale and come down. We're just going to do a few more deep breaths. All the breath goes out. Any dead air in your lungs goes out. And once again, inhale deeply. Holding the breath for a couple seconds. That enables you to get more of the oxygen you just breathed in, and exhale and slowly come down. One more long, slow, even, deep breath through your nose if possible. Inhale. Now your hands can come down. Hold the breath for another second and slowly exhale. You might notice that you feel a little bit different. A little what? A little more relaxed, a little more lightheaded. I mean, these are all good things. This can give you a healing experience. This can give you relief from the stress in your life. And yes, it does press this acupressure point. On an acupuncture, yeah, they use needles and they stick a needle right on that point. And it goes donk into your head. It is not weird. It is something that in traditional Chinese medicine has been used for thousands of years. Now, what am I doing? I'm teaching acupressure, same points as acupuncture, but using your hands instead of needles. So, if you want to learn more, I've given you a link. Click on it and you'll see, oh, yeah, I could go into a little 4-week training with this guy. My name is Michael, and I've been doing acupressure for nearly 50 years. I think we should all celebrate. What we should celebrate is that this is accessible. What is this accessible? This healing information. The points are very specific. This is why I love to teach, is because this point can enable you to concentrate more. It can improve your memory, and it can make you feel so much better. Why? Because this point, and especially if you concentrate on putting your attention here, I'm giving you the secrets. I mean, what can I do? I want you to I want us all to be happy and want this to be a peaceful planet. That's why I love to teach acupressure, because it's so potent. So when you touch this point and you breathe deeply, it awakens the pituitary gland. This is the master endocrine gland of your body. And if this is open, wow, you can soar. Look, just rewind the tape. I mean, just do it again. It's free. And get into a relaxed state and get into the breathing. I'm encouraging you to breathe deeply so that you can use that oxygen and bring it into your body and feel better. That's what it's all about in life, is to feel better and to heal ourselves so that we have more to give in life. I'm sending you love, harmony, and beauty, and blessings to you. I hope you'll click on this link so that you can see what this course is all about. It's combining acupressure with meditation. And I'm actually showing 15 different meditations. I think you'll have a lot of fun with it, and it'll be nurturing and beneficial and healing for you.